We're doing real good there, Skeeter. I heard you in there talking to Bob, my friend over there on the Big Island. So I'm on the Southern Gulf Islands, not too far from Bob, off the West Coast. And we've talked many times before, and we're doing good here. We had a couple of days where we had some forest fire haze, a light haze, but we've escaped any of the smoke out here. We're very lucky.
All right, I'm so sorry that one of the new people that I spoke to earlier made me very aware that those still going on, and I'm so sorry. My heart just pours for all of the people that are losing their homes, and even more for the firefighters. I can't even imagine what they're going through, and my heart just pours for them. Go ahead.
I know what you mean. There's some big fires burning in parts of our province. I think they're still burning. And what about Maui there too, Lahaina? It's just absolutely, heartbreaking to see what happened to the town of Lahaina as well. It seems like there's a lot of fires going on all over the place now.
Well, I really hope and pray that they can get them under control soon. And Joe, 39 is so busy, and I know people are talking over us, but I don't want to also get in their way. So thank you so much for coming back to me. Wishing the very best to you and your family. Stay safe out there, and we'll be remembering everyone in our prayers. 7-3 to you, 791 from 522 Kentucky.
All right, Skeeter, always a pleasure, my friend. Take care, and we'll talk to you again, and you stay safe as well. Cheers and 73s until next time. UDX 791 on the Gulf Islands in the North Pacific. QSX.
7-3, thank you.
Cheers to you.
55244 waving again. Have a good night.
Did I copy 44?